Thought I'd bring you back here on the Sanctuary Nature Trail, or Bird Sanctuary Nature Trail, and show you where I run with my Vibram Five Fingers. It's a pretty nice little trail. I hope I don't jerk this camera around too much, but we'll just have to live with it. This thing is about a little over 6/10 of a mile long, and it's just perfect for getting used to barefoot running, because it's fairly, where I'm at right now it's not, but it's pretty grassy when I get out into the field. And I can run out here and get used to this barefoot running thing. So I thought I would bring you with me and show you. So this trail is pretty grassy. I guess they mow it. It does have a little bit of rock in it, but not enough to really do anything to your feet. I don't know that I've been out here since we had the big heavy rain, so I don't know if it did any damage to the trail or not. There isn't much that could get damaged unless it was just completely underwater, because there's nothing really to wash away. It's pretty flat out here, so the most it could have been would be swampy. And it hadn't rained for 4 or 5 days now, so it ought to be fine. I'm going to run a little bit and then come back and video some more, okay? See, it's really grassy in here. I'll kind of zoom around. See, it's a field that they've let grow up. It's got trees all around. I guess they cleared it out when they built the archery range and the velodrome out here. But it's a perfect barefoot running location, that's for sure, even though it's a short little trail. Oh yeah, and I show you, got them on, okay? If I can figure out how to put music on this video, I think I'll do it. That's something I haven't ever tried, but we'll see. Maybe some of the people that video quite a lot can give me some tips on that. I'll see if I can find out. Okay, I'm going to turn off and run some more. See, I think there's a part of the trail that you can go back in the woods here and loop around and add on. I haven't ever done that. I might come out here with my regular shoes on and give it a test run before I go off in my Vibrams and do it. One thing I like about this is I can come out here and there's very seldom very many people out here. Maybe one or two, you know, but mostly people that come out to see birds. Of course, I don't even hear any birds. I guess if I listen really close, I can hear some way off in the distance somewhere. I mostly hear bugs. Okay, I'm going to turn it off and do some more running. Back here in the pines now, little pines. Yeah, that's what makes me think they cleared this place out before, because these trees are very young. There aren't any big trees right in this area. On the very borders there are big trees, but out in here none of these trees are very old, which gives me the idea that they've grown up since 1996. Stop here and you can see the mountain over there. See if I can zoom in. Yeah, there you go. And there's the mountain, that's the back side. And back here to the trail. And just keep on going. I think I'm going to do maybe 3 loops of this trail today. This is really an off day for me. I thought it would be a perfect day to come out and do some barefoot stuff. It's about probably 5:30 in the afternoon, about 70 degrees out here, maybe in the high 60s now. So, still a pretty good place. I think I'm getting fairly close to the end of the trail. Come up on these rocks. This is where it's low, so if it was going to be wet, it would be right through here. But it doesn't seem to be. And I go around a bend here, then you'll see the fence, which is on both sides of the path going out the exit of the trail. So I think what I'll do is finish filming to the end of the trail here and then go run a couple more loops. It comes right out onto the pavement here. There's a loop around, and there's a couple of cars parked here. Mine's the one in the very front. So that's it. Hope you enjoyed it.